This video is intended to explain the Singapore bar model method for solving a problem. If you follow the method carefully, when the problem changes and the numbers alter, it wouldn't make any difference whatsoever, because the method is what's important. Follow the method and things will work out. So here's the method. 1. Read the entire problem. 2. Who is involved in the problem? 3. What is involved in the problem? 4. Draw unit bars of equal length. 5. Read each sentence one at a time. 6. Put the question mark in place. 7. Work your computation. And 8. Answer the question in a whole sentence. Now, as I say, follow that and you should find that these things work quite well. So here's our problem. We're going to follow the method carefully, which says that we need to read the entire problem first. 7/9 of entrants in a competition are girls. There are 180 more girls than boys entered. How many entrants are there? Well, we need to look at who's involved. So we have girls. And we also have boys. The next part of the method asks us to say what is involved, and it's how many entrants there are. So we have girl entrants and boy entrants. And because it's girls and boys, we can take the S off the end just to be correct. So girl entrants and boy entrants. After that, we draw a unit bar. If you're drawing these in your book, you should draw them with a ruler and try and make sure that they are of equal size. Because I'm using my finger on a screen, it's a lot harder to do that, so you'll just have to bear with me and pretend that they are the same size. So we draw a block for the girls, and we draw a block for the boys. Following the method further, it says, read each sentence one at a time. 7/9 of entrants in a competition are girls. So there are 7 boxes to draw for the girls. So we need another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We now have 7 boxes. There are 180 more girls than boys entered. How many entrants are there? Well, we were told that we had 7/9, and at the moment on screen we have 8/9. So we need one more box. That'll do. And we're told that the amount of girls that is greater than the amount of boys is greater by 180. So we've now used the information that we have in the problem. We're going to be looking to where we need to put our question mark, however, because we need to know what the total number of entrants is, and we can put it at the side using another brace. So if we draw a little brace here, and we put our question mark on the side, by adding the 7 blocks and the 2 blocks together, we'll know what the total amount is. In order to work out the amount of people who have entered the competition, we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks that make up the 180. If we divide 180 by 5, you'll see that it boils down to 36. So each block in here is worth 36. And all the blocks being equal in size must also be worth 36. If you look carefully, 5 of the blocks have already been counted, and we have 2 blocks in the girls and 2 blocks in the boys that have not been used yet. Now those suggest to us that if we multiply 36 times 4, we'll come up with an answer of how many entrants are left above the 180. So 4 times 6 is 24, 3 times 4 is 12, so that gives us a total of 144 altogether. We can add the 144 to the 180, and you'll find an answer here of 324. So the question mark on the side here represents 324. So it's equal to 324. That takes us into our final stage of answering a question. You've been asked a problem question in a sentence, and you have to answer using a full sentence. The words are very important. So you'll see there are 324 entrants in total. And that's how we solve a problem using Singapore maths.